Excited to explore Textmetrics Job Ad Generator? Let's dive in and discover how this amazing feature can help you create vacancies effortlessly. Just click on Generate Job Content to start. Here's how it works. Fill out the job title, which will also be your keyword, and select a level. You can add your own descriptions and introductions or let our AI assistants generate them for you. Simply add the pull factors that apply to the role and select the skills you're looking for in a candidate. You can also include your own text to inform future employees about the application process. Now, click on Generate Content and voila! Your vacancy is ready in just a few clicks. See how the AI used your input to create the perfect vacancy for the role? Let's take it a step further. Click on Analyze to check your content score. And if you're feeling super efficient, let's use the AI assistant to generate a title and description. It's that easy. Ready to simplify your job ad creation process? Plan your demo and get started. Textmetrics, communication made easy.